beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at these rooms. Come on, let's go over there. Let's find out, how do you get over there and what are those? This would have been the best hotel. I don't know, a little raw. What is this? Oh, come on. These have my name all over them. I don't know, a little paint, some flowers, a couple throw pillows. Good morning. 6 o'clock. Oh, I've been up since 2 o'clock, editing, laid back down, took another nap. Anyway, I kind of can't take it anymore. I'm itchy. I'm sure I'm starting to rash out. The Ernest Hemingway look is killing my complexion. But the good news is, this island has highly fortified natural mineral water, and it's called the ocean. All right, perfect, perfect. Let's find some adventure. Look at my face. It's the beard, the irritation, the itching, but Zakynthos, where I am, is known for having Sulfer Springs. Now, I thought they were hot springs, but I just read they were cold springs. I don't like cold water. So anyway, I'm going for a skin treatment by nature. So my understanding is we're up high. We have to go down low. We have to walk. Another beach. You have to earn your route. Another beach. You have to earn your path to get here. I haven't shaved in weeks. It's actually been weeks. And anyway, some beard irritation. This face needs a lot of things, but this face needs that water. Beautiful, beautiful. Where's the hot springs? I know they exist because it's volcanic activity. Amazing coast line. Feels good on my face. And by good, I mean it's burning. Let's go in the water. This section of the island is called Keri, and I passed a port on the way here, and I'm pretty sure that that port has boat charters. So listen, so that's Turtle Island out there, tons of sea turtles, and there's all the different ways to get there, but you have to pay for that. And I want to do it, I don't want to pay for it. I go to that island.
We're doing Keri caves.
Caves?
For the turtles.
Yes.
And we're going also in the island.
I love it.
Oh, no problem.
I love it. This guy is going to take me to go see a turtle. My friend, shoes off?
Yes, it's good.
I got a private escort. I'm jumping in. I've had 2 other trips at the water. You couldn't get in. This is everything I hope for. So here's what happens. First of all, you find a rock, all right? You survey the area. You see how deep it is. Let's see. Born to be alive. Yes, I was born to be alive. Yes. Very good. It was so much fun. Yes. Hello? Wow, it goes all the way back. Hello? Oh wow, it goes all the way back. Oh, this is very good. Okay, come on. So you know what happened? I'll tell you what happened. So anyway, I go talk to the guy, and he says on the group things, you don't get the, you're a group. So he said €100. I'm like, I'm gonna spend €100. And then he explained how the guy was gonna take, anyway, you get the point. And here's the deal. It's so worth it. Look what's going on here. Listen, it goes way back. Yeah, this is good. Okay?